Kansas. The very name evokes images of vast open plains, a land where the horizon seems to stretch forever, meeting the sky in a seamless blend of colors. The sun rises over these plains, casting a golden hue that dances across the landscape, and as it sets, the prairie is bathed in a warm, amber glow, a sea of golden grass rippling in the wind. Each blade of grass moves in harmony, creating a mesmerizing dance that captures the essence of the prairie. The wind whispers through the tall grass, telling stories of the land and its history. This is the heartland of America, a place where the sky stretches endlessly. The vast expanse of blue above is dotted with fluffy clouds, drifting lazily across the sky. It's a canvas painted by nature, ever-changing and always beautiful. But Kansas is more than just prairies. It is a state of diverse ecosystems, from the rolling hills that rise gently from the plains to the dense forests that provide a haven for wildlife. Kansas is a tapestry of natural beauty. Rolling hills give way to lush forests. These forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The trees stand tall and proud, their leaves rustling in the breeze, creating a symphony of sounds that is both soothing and invigorating. Sparkling rivers cut through the landscape. Wetlands teem with life. These waterways are the lifeblood of the prairie, providing sustenance to the plants and animals that call this place home. The rivers flow with a gentle grace, reflecting the sky above and the land around them. Kansas is a place of quiet beauty. Its serenity draws you in. The stillness of the prairie at dawn, the gentle hum of insects, and the distant call of birds create a sense of peace that is hard to find elsewhere. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly appreciate the wonders of nature. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to find peace and tranquility. Whether you're walking through the tall grass, sitting by a river, or simply gazing at the endless sky, Kansas offers a sanctuary for the soul. It's a reminder of the simple yet profound beauty that exists in the world around us. The prairie is the soul of Kansas. It stretches out as far as the eye can see, a vast expanse of rolling hills and open skies. This land is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. It covers much of the state, creating a unique ecosystem that supports a diverse array of plant and animal life. The prairie is not just a landscape, it's a living, breathing entity. Tallgrass prairie is a sight to behold. These grasses can grow up to 10 feet tall, creating a sea of green that waves in the wind. It's a reminder of the prairie's ancient past, when bison roamed freely. Grasses swayed gently in the breeze, their movement a dance choreographed by the wind. Each blade of grass plays its part in this natural symphony, contributing to the prairie's serene and timeless beauty. Sunflowers stand tall, faces turned towards the sun. These bright yellow flowers are a symbol of the prairie's vitality and strength. They thrive in the open fields, adding splashes of color to the landscape. The prairie is alive with sound. From the rustling of the grasses to the calls of birds and insects, it's a symphony of nature. Each sound tells a story of life and survival in this vast ecosystem. The wind whispers through the grasses, carrying with it the secrets of the prairie. It's a gentle reminder of the forces that shape this land, from the powerful storms to the gentle breezes. Grasshoppers chirp in the heat of the day, their songs a constant presence in the prairie. These small creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem, serving as both predator and prey. Meadowlarks sing their sweet songs, filling the air with their melodious tunes. Their presence is a sign of a healthy prairie, where wildlife thrives and the natural balance is maintained. Spring brings a burst of color to the prairie. As the weather warms, wildflowers begin to bloom, transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of hues. It's a time of renewal and growth. Wildflowers paint the prairie in vibrant hues. Purple coneflowers, yellow sunflowers, and red Indian paintbrush dot the landscape. Each flower adds its own unique beauty to the prairie's palette, and red Indian paintbrush dot the landscape. These flowers are more than just beautiful, they are a vital part of the prairie's ecosystem, providing food and habitat for a variety of wildlife. The prairie is a magical place. Whether bathed in the golden light of sunrise or the soft hues of sunset, it exudes a timeless beauty that captivates the soul. It's a place where nature's wonders are on full display, inviting us to pause and appreciate the simple yet profound beauty of the natural world. The prairie was once home to vast herds of bison. These magnificent creatures roamed freely, They were a vital part of the ecosystem. Today bison are making a comeback. Conservation efforts are helping to restore their populations. Seeing them graze on the prairie is a reminder of the past. The prairie is a testament to resilience. It has survived droughts, fires, and the plow. It is a reminder of the power of nature. Kansas is also home to many wetlands. These are places of incredible biodiversity. Marshes, swamps, and ponds dot the landscape. They provide vital habitat for many species. Wetlands are a haven for birds. Ducks, geese, and shorebirds flock to these areas. They come to feed, breed, and raise their young. The air is filled with the sounds of their calls. The water teems with life. Fish, turtles, and frogs call these wetlands home. Wetlands are vital for clean water and flood control. Section 5, A Symphony of Colors, Wildflowers of the Kansas Prairie. Wildflowers are the jewels of the prairie. They bloom in a dazzling array of colors. Each flower has its own unique beauty. Purple coneflowers attract butterflies with their sweet nectar. Black-eyed Susans add a splash of sunshine yellow. Indian paintbrush stand tall, their red blooms like flames. The prairie is a constantly changing canvas. The colors and textures shift with the seasons. It's a reminder of the beauty of nature's cycle. Section 6, Guardians of the Grasslands, Remarkable Wildlife of Kansas. Kansas is home to a wide variety of wildlife. Mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians thrive in its diverse habitats. White-tailed deer graze in the grasslands. Coyotes howl in the distance. Prairie dogs pop up from their burrows. Each creature plays an important role in the ecosystem. The skies are filled with birds. Bald eagles soar overhead. Hawks hunt for prey. Meadowlarks sing their cheerful songs. Kansas is a birdwatcher's paradise. Section 7, Conservation, a Shared Responsibility. Protecting Kansas's natural heritage is crucial. Human activities have impacted the environment. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve these precious habitats. National parks and wildlife refuges protect large areas of land. Organizations and individuals work tirelessly to restore damaged ecosystems. Everyone can play a part in conservation. Simple actions can make a difference. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Conserve water. Be mindful of your impact on the environment. Section 8. Finding Serenity, Connecting with Nature in Kansas. Spending time in nature is good for the soul. Kansas offers many opportunities to reconnect with the natural world. Hike through a prairie preserve, listen to the wind in the grasses, watch the sunset over a tranquil lake. Let the peacefulness of nature wash over you. Nature has a way of calming the mind. It helps us to appreciate the simple things in life. Kansas provides the perfect backdrop for reflection and renewal. Section 9. A Timeless Legacy, Preserving Kansas for Future Generations. Kansas, with its vast prairies, rolling hills, and serene landscapes, is a treasure trove of natural beauty. From the golden hues of the sunrise over the prairie to the vibrant colors of wildflowers in bloom, every corner of this state tells a story of nature's splendor. The beauty of Kansas is a gift. It is a gift that has been passed down through generations, a gift that we have the privilege to enjoy today. But with this privilege comes a profound responsibility. It is our responsibility to cherish and protect it. The clear waters of Kansas rivers, the tranquil forest trails, and the untouched wilderness are not just for us. They are for our children and their children and all the generations that will follow. By preserving our natural heritage, we ensure that future generations can experience the same wonder. Imagine the joy of a child discovering the wonders of a nature reserve, the thrill of seeing wildlife in their natural habitat, and the peace that comes from walking through a preserved park. Imagine a child marveling at a herd of bison. These majestic creatures, once nearly driven to extinction, now roam freely thanks to our conservation efforts. Their presence is a testament to what we can achieve when we commit to preserving our natural world. Picture a family hiking through a field of wildflowers. The vibrant colors, the fresh air, and the sense of connection to nature create memories that last a lifetime. These experiences are invaluable and they are worth protecting. Envision a world where nature's beauty is preserved, a world where the pristine landscapes of Kansas remain untouched, where the wilderness is a sanctuary for both wildlife and people seeking solace. Let us leave a legacy of conservation. Let us be the generation that took a stand, that made a difference, that ensured the natural beauty of Kansas was not just a memory, but a living, breathing reality. Let us protect the serenity and beauty of Kansas for generations to come. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let us act with wisdom, with care, and with a deep respect for the natural world that sustains us all.